Mark Cuban exposed that Cardano holders will get wrecked. Cardano ADA dark secret revealed. Mark Cuban ironically denies referring to Cardano in DAO assessment. Mark Cuban was definitely not referencing Cardano when highlighting the disruptive power of decentralized autonomous organizations. Today we're going to talk all about what Mark Cuban said about Cardano and why the price of Cardano is falling like crazy. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 31st of January, shall we? Cardano ADA has been consolidating inside a tight range for a while, but it appears that a possible breakout is likely incoming over the next few days. ADA has been moving between the key support at $1 and the resistance at $1.1 over the past week, unable to break free. Last Wednesday, there was an attempt to move above the key resistance, but sellers pushed ADA back to the consolidation range. At the time of this writing, the price action continues its consolidation on low volume, probably due to the weekend, which many anticipate a major move in the coming week. Trading volume. Volume has been declining since the sell-off, and now both the volatility and volume are minimal. This usually precedes a major move. RSI. The daily RSI attempts to move higher but lacks momentum. The bulls will hope that the new week will provide the push ADA needs to break away from the current range. MACD. The daily MACD remains bearish, but the histogram and moving averages are curving up. With a bit of luck, ADA may successfully break the resistance, which can propel price rally. The current bias is neutral. ADA needs to break out from the existing range to change this bias and get its next direction. Now let's get back to the topic. While explaining the potential impact of decentralized autonomous organizations on legacy businesses, billionaire investor Mark Cuban, who recently joined the cryptocurrency space, ironically denied referring to Cardano's blockchain. "No, not Cardano," says Cuban. Mark Cuban used to be among the many critics of the cryptocurrency industry in the past. However, as it happened with quite a few of them, he changed his mind recently and has become a vocal proponent of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency assets ever since then. Cuban has displayed a rather optimistic approach towards disruptive technologies, including Ethereum's network. In the latest Twitter message, the billionaire touched upon the potential changes coming to the corporations prompted by decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Interestingly, some Cardano proponents took his words as an indirect advertisement of the blockchain project founded by Charles Hoskinson, which has been making significant waves lately. However, Cuban was quick to ironically refuse any assumptions that he may have been referring to Cardano by saying, "LOL, no." Interestingly, Cardano's founder got involved in the Twitter discussion as well. Hoskinson responded with an ironic GIF post of his own. Cardano's recent developments. Although Cuban may have dismissed Cardano, the blockchain project's popularity has actually been surging since the start of the year. It signed a few partnerships in Africa with the Ministry of Education in Ethiopia and Tanzania's government to work on several blockchain-based projects, including digital identities. The project's founder has been openly praising his brainchild, including outlining several reasons why he believes Cardano is better than Ethereum, another blockchain giant he helped establish years ago. The good news about Cardano is that Cardano investors holding between 10,000 and 1 million coins more than doubled their ADA bags since the market correction began. The most recent price plummets in the cryptocurrency market have not deterred large investors from accumulating more portions of certain assets. This became evident for Cardano's native token, as on-chain data revealed that some ADA wallets have more than doubled their holdings in less than 2 weeks. ADA appetite increases with lower prices. It's safe to say that the cryptocurrency space went through a steep correction since the middle of January, wiping more than $500 billion from its cumulative market cap in a week at one point. Cardano, which spiked to a 6-week high on January 18th at $1.65, was among the most harmed assets. ADA declined by 45% in 4 days from the aforementioned local peak to 92 cents on January 22nd. Since then, the token has reclaimed some of its lost ground and trades above $1. But it's still about 25% down on a year-to-date basis. Nevertheless, this slump hasn't dampened investors' appetite for the asset, just the opposite, as revealed by data from Santiment. The analytics resource reported that addresses holding between 10,000 and 1 million tokens increased their bags by nearly $55 million worth of ADA in less than 2 weeks. From a percentage perspective, this means that their holdings rose by more than 110% in 11 days. If we talk about what's happening in the Cardano dApp ecosystem, with Ethereum still in the process of developing its POS infrastructure, Cardano is gradually challenging the platform's long-standing dominance in dApp development. The Cardano smart contract ecosystem is now attracting fundamental projects with a tangible value in traditional finance and decentralized finance. This upcoming dApp blockchain hosts notable projects such as Revudo, an active subscription management application. Revudo enables users to actively manage their subscriptions, featuring a one-stop platform where a subscriber can snooze or block payments. Some of the subscription services that users can manage include Spotify, YouTube Premium, and Apple TV+. Furthermore, Revudo exposes its users to the growing DeFi market through a native token dubbed Revu that can be stored in a Cardano Lite wallet. This project is also the first Cardano-based dApp to launch an ICO, recording over 3 million registrations to date. Meanwhile, the Revu token was recently listed on KuCoin and Gate.io. Revudo also plans to scale its services to feature a micro-lending and borrowing pool that will allow users to leverage DeFi liquidity to pay for subscription services. Besides Revudo, Cardano is home to the ADA swap decentralized exchange, DEX. This DEX introduces swapping capabilities for Cardano native assets based on an automated market maker model. In addition, the platform features a native token, ASW, that eliminates transaction and participation fees, hence creating a wealth retention model for the DEX users. The ASW token has already been launched through an initial DEX offering, IDO, that took place on the CardStarter launchpad. ASW not only serves as a reward or governance token, but also facilitates efficient swaps and real-time price arbitrages as per the free finance tokenomics model. So far, AdaSwap has partnered with notable crypto projects, including DJED stablecoin developer Cody. They are also looking to launch an NFT ecosystem for trading digital collectibles on Cardano. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorstep. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!